Hello YouTube and fellow stackers. Welcome to Turbo Stacking, where we stack with purpose. I'm Turbo and I'll be your host today. We're going to unbox a Vaultbox, a Fun Box 2 to be exact. I've been holding for a few weeks for this video, for the chance to launch my channel and start recording videos. So I'm very anxious to see what's in these two slabs. So stay tuned and we'll check it out. For those of you that haven't yet, please like and subscribe below if you find any of this content interesting. It would help the channel and community out quite a bit. All right, let's dive in. To those of you that aren't familiar with Vaultbox, they do a what do I call it? It's like a mystery box. It's a monthly. It's not a subscription because you actually have to purchase each one separate, and they don't necessarily release monthly. And when they do release monthly, it's not their main series. It may be an off, what they call a fun box, where they basically put slightly lower value numismatic coins in foil envelopes. And I think they do that for a multitude of reasons. I think there are some channels that actually will give these foil envelopes away to their subscribers in some sort of drawing, which is something I'd be interested in considering down the road. But I've participated. Some of Fun Box's releases have been pretty expensive, to the point to where I didn't participate. However, this Fun Box episode, I think they've had obviously two of them. I participated in the first one as well, but that was well before I started. Whereas this, I think, released last month. And, I knew I planned on releasing a channel or starting a channel, so I kind of held on to them, and well, here we are. I believe in the Fun Box 2 set there were, I can't remember if there was a theme or not, but regardless, here we are, and each one of these retail for about $200. I've seen during some of the bigger releases, the major releases, I've seen 3 to 4 times as much for unopened boxes of these programs. So with that, let's get to crack and see what we got here. The thing I like about these is they make them real easy to open. It's as simple as peeling. And let's see here. There we go. And opening up. Now, if you're unaware, these Vaultbox releases are all slabbed coins. They're all numismatics. Some of them are worth more than others. Sometimes you get your money back, sometimes you don't. For the most part, I have not gotten my money back. In fact, this could possibly be my last one if I don't get a decent coin here. So anyway, they have in this series, they have what's called a purple core that we're looking for. Those are the more the higher value coins. So with that, let's reveal what we got here. Fingers crossed. Oh wow, it's a purple core. Let's see, can we focus? There we go. Holy cow, that's an 1884. What is that? A 1 cent piece, 1884. Well, I can't really see that. I guess my lighting isn't right. Well, guys, I apologize. I'm, like I said, just getting started with starting this channel, and I could use some tips apparently on lighting. We'll be sure to fix that for my next video. But regardless, this is an 1884 1 cent Indian head piece. It's awesome. Now, Vaultbox has a site, a portal in which you can upload these coins, and they will give you an instant purchase price for the coins. So they will buy them back from you. And we'll take a look at that at the end of the video here. Okay, and let's go for bag number 2. I'm not real, it's a purple core, it's, a good coin, but, I'm more of a silver and gold kind of guy. but you know, we'll see what we have here. All right, package number 2. So far, we are batting 100 for purple cores. Let's see here. Let's see. Tell you what, if I get another purple core, I will purchase the next Vault Box, and we'll have an opening here soon. I believe they launch next week, maybe their next series. All right, we're looking for purple, not black. Ah, yes. What is this? All right, what is that? It's backwards. Huh. Okay. 1937. Oh, a 3-leg Indian head nickel. That must mean one of the legs are missing. And I can tell you, yep, there it is. You see that? No leg. How cool. Basically, the story is that a guy was working the press, or the working at the Mint, and was pressing some nickels, screwed up, and did something to, yeah, I'm not quite sure. Did something to the mold. I can't remember what it's called, but anyway, and I believe instead of replacing it, they tried to fix it, and by doing so, they accidentally erased one of the legs. So that's cool. I think this is a pretty rare coin, but like I said, it's a very fine 5. Like I said, we'll check the value on Vaultbox right now. Okay, guys, here we are at Vaultbox's site. They have a coin lookup page called value.vaultbox.com. You stick in your cert number and your grade, select find my coin. This is going to be for the 1 cent piece, and you'll notice they're offering $220, so that is a net gain of about $10, I guess, for that coin. And the next one, let's see, the next one is the Buffalo. Let's see. Wow, $630. So that's $850 off a $418 purchase. That's a good, I'll take that for certain. Anyway, awesome. So once you look these coins up, you can then add to your collection, and then your collection ends up being over here, and you'll see the values they're offering for each coin. So you can ship the coin to them, and they will pay you this amount. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it today. Looks like I batted 1,000 on this Vault Box. Very surprised, and somebody's telling me something, because this was going to be an ender if I didn't get, if I wasn't happy. And you know what? I think I'm happy. Didn't get any silver, but I don't think this series had a lot of silver in it. At least that's what I'm going to tell myself for now. But I am happy with these coins. A couple, I don't know, a few $100s more than I paid for them. I'm good with that. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe below, and be on the lookout for my next drop. Thanks, guys. Until then, remember to stack with purpose.